I'm Liz. Welcome back to another creative session working in my beer box junk journal. Here it is. And whether you're doing junk journal July 2025 or not, this video can still give you a lot of ideas for junk journaling.
Perfect for beginners. I modify envelopes, do stamping, add postcard inserts, cutting techniques, and glue tips. So if that sounds interesting to you, then you'll want to stick around.
And today's prompt, at least the prompt I'll be working on since I'm a little late to the game, is opening. I'm keeping it ultra simple for this one. So there's already this opening that happened with this rip here. And I found this photograph that my partner took when he was in Sri Lanka. And yeah, I just thought it's also like a postcard. So I think if I just slip this in here and I can put like a paper clip or even like a washi tape. Let's put a washi tape for now. I don't think it'll ruin it. So and since it's called opening, I'm kind of thinking of like this hallway with this beautiful kind of arch hall with a door at the end, and there's like this man walking through that door. So yeah, that just kind of reminded me of physically of openings, right? Door openings, and I think the key also ties in with that. I just want to keep it really simple. What else can I add? Let's try that out. Yeah, I've been liking lately adding these interactive elements to my spreads. It's kind of fun. You can put a little note or any other little thing you can think of to put in there, or just for the sake of clicking. Let's see, what else? What else? Do I like this? Yeah, I kind of like that. Why not? Then I have these new stencils. Okay, now we are on thankful. So let's do that one next. I liked both this and this side. In a way, it's also another opening, so more interactiveness on this area. But I wanted to keep this thing. I liked this side. So my idea was to cut through here if I can.
see if I can slip in this small cutting mat. Okay. Probably want to stop right there, and I think I can do the rest with small scissors. I want to do it as cleanly as possible so I don't have weird jagged edges. I mean, this will be laying flat like this. I do kind of think something needs to go here though. What can we do? Maybe we'll just do some, here I want black for this one. Just like that, just like a little peeking into the envelope there. Okay, just glue that down. Because this is, whoa, because this is a thinner envelope though, not as thick as this, I'm going to use my glue stick because I don't want it to warp. Yeah, no, I like it. The page isn't big enough. Yep, I think that's still the best bet. And then I have these stickers. I believe came with this card actually. So to kind of match that, I mean, it doesn't have to match, but I do like it. The thing is, do I want more contrast here? You see, that might be better. Just trimming off some of that. Okay. You really don't have to think too hard about this. Like, these two pages have actually, I've thought the least about, and I'm really liking just like the simplicity of them, and that I can just come back in later and write things in, because sometimes just feeling like I have to complete the page in its entirety kind of takes away from the fun of creating. So that's how I'm working this out. And I kind of do like the black on this. I'm using this to round out the edges. Ripping. Okay, and then here's the little thank you card I can fill in later. So I'm just going to finish it off by writing here thankful, just like I did with opening. I'm wondering, do you guys do thankful cards or have like a thankful journal or something? If so, why do you think it's important as a reminder? I'm thankful right now to have this time to create and make time. I'm thankful for the quiet, the solitude. And now let's take a closer look at what I created. So taking an old postcard and inserting it into a ripped page creates so much reflective look to a page, including making my own simple interactive card for the prompt opening. And then I kept it simple for the thank you page as well, but included ways that I could add later on. And finally, I'm thankful that you guys are watching my videos. And I'd be extra thankful if you guys would like this video and consider subscribing for more junk journaling ideas, art ideas, collage, and all that paper goodness. Stay sticky. There's so much more to come. See you in the next one.